To create a purchase order, go to Inventory. Click Purchase Orders. Select Add New and select a supplier. A list of items to be ordered will be created. The order quantity is automatically populated by taking the minimum quantity and subtracting the on-hand quantity. To order more or less, simply adjust the order quantity number. The cost can also be updated if the supplier is offering a one-time different cost. For a permanent price change, update the price using Setup Products. To add a product to the purchase order, enter a SKU number or search by product name in the designated field and click Search. If needed, select the product to add and an order quantity, then click Add Product. Repeat as needed. Once your order is ready, click Save.